All right, we're here. Yeah. Just got back to the computer. Have no idea what happened. Let's see. Let's see what happened. Woo. What up, Eric? Power hour. All right. Have to get my higher time frames pulled up here. Let's see what we're looking for. All right, I got to pull up the higher time frame here. Wow, we blasted through a lot of stuff. Holy cow. All the way through the 600. Yeah, we knew the 587. Let's see what else we got. 329's down there next on the hourly. Let's go to the 15-minute. Pretty much the same. It's what, 80 points lower. $80 points lower there. Let's see here. 406. All right. Yeah. Accidentally click long for green and double click sell for green. Uh-oh. 347. Down, down, down. Down goes Tyson. Yeah, just kind of down today. I was just looking to see anything obvious up here. Looks like we might have equal highs here. Let's see. 484. Nope. Off by a few ticks. Nothing there. What about here? 56. Yep. So we do have equal highs up there at 556. Kind of irrelevant right now. Kind of irrelevant. Let's see kind of what happens here. All right. Yes, all the way down to 64.20 here. Let me just refresh here and make sure I'm not missing anything. I guess we'll just wait, kind of see what happens. That's all we can do. It's all we can do. Let's see. Tradeify 21952. Be looking for a spot to maybe get this Tradeify account back to green, if you will. Down 172. I'm going to work on these accounts that are down like $100. So no signs of life. Yeah. We'll see what we get. It's all we can do. Wait and look for spots. All right. Anybody want to do a giveaway? Let's do a giveaway. Why not? It'll be a My Funded Futures account. 50K scale account. Did anybody take advantage of that 50K account from Futures Desk? It's like only one person did. What up, Fantasy FBL? Yeah, FBL. I just haven't been trading as well. We're at 23K. I need to update it. Need to update the expenses too. I'll do that today at some point. Just haven't been trading as well. No real reason. I would say a couple of things there. I lost 20 accounts a couple of times where, you know, one of them was my fault. One of them wasn't. One or two was not my fault. But very close to, very close to getting payouts on those accounts, and I lost them either via the copier or whatever the case may be. So, but yeah, just disappointing. I am still positive on the year. We're still making money, just not to the level that we want to be. You know what I mean? You didn't get it? Check your spam. I did hear of a couple of people that got it. Just might have went to your spam. Check your spam. Also, Tradeify. They've got anniversary special. You can get the advanced accounts for $30. $30. Can't stop trading once in the red. Yeah, FBL. That's I could say that's probably a part of it. It's just I don't know, man. I just haven't traded as well, to be honest. Now I did have a massive like September and October last year, right? So I think I had a $20,000 payout October last year. So very possible that we can still do something along those lines and come out better than last year, but we'll see. So far, not so much, but we shall see. Looking for that giveaway. I don't see it. I hate it when it does this. I have to go find that. It's kind of annoying. Price action should be better. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, I'm going to be patient. I am looking for a spot to get a little bit of this, a couple of these accounts back to green, but I'm not just going to jump into them if it doesn't make sense. I want to jump into something that makes sense. If it makes sense, we'll take it. No. Where did I see that at? There had to be somebody else that's posted it. What up, Solo? Going good. We're just getting started over here. Just getting started. I woke up late. I took a little siesta. Took a little siesta. Where do you look at post? I don't see him. You had a great day, Floki? That's awesome. That's awesome. I'm still right where I was earlier. All right, I'm going to short up here, guys. Off the 50 EMA and the 50. Right there. Uh, 41. See if we get a push back down into like... I hate fighting those EMAs down there for the profit target. We'll go 39.75, see if that gets us back to green on this. I think I can safely put the stop to break even here. I want to see it just move straight on down here. No retest. I tried to lock in 100. I didn't get it. Didn't get it. Still down. Thanks, I see scalping. You demand. Tried to get a little 100 there, but still down 113 on that account. Didn't quite get it. I didn't love just this naked. I mean, like, it should theoretically hold here. I'm going to jump in one more time. Looking at the 3 o'clock gap for an IFEG long. Not really, Frank. I'm still bearish. Oh, goodness. It's pushing through. And I'm going to take it off right there. It's like I lost in that exchange. But no, I'm not really. Let me look at this here. Let me see kind of what I'm looking at. There's not really anything like obvious, right? Let's see what you're saying. I mean, you could maybe take that 5-minute. You got a 5-minute IFEG potential here. It's probably the cleanest. What up, OZ? Meat grinder. We do have a 5-minute IFEG here. The only problem is the 1 minute didn't really close. What up, Veridatis? Power hour reversal, definitely possible. ES back to the 27s here. I don't know. We'll see if we can pop to the 29s. On the ES. Nasdaq kind of got that 71 level up there. $71 level. I don't want that one. We'll just go 8532. Took one trade today and called it good. Yeah, nothing. I mean, that's Trev. I'm telling you, like, there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. It's so weird. Why am I not getting... Trying to find this new Tradeify sale thing that I can pull up, but it's not. I don't see it. I mean, we could have some push back up. We could. We certainly have sold down enough. Certainly have sold down enough. All right, I'm going to stab long. What up, Pine Tree? I don't know if I love that close. All right, I'm along here with a very tight stop. Tight stop of the swing. Stop at the swing there, 54, 6 points. See if we can go. Stop to break even is going to kind of be 71 area. Hell, I may just take it off at 71. That would get this account back to green. Let's just do that. How'd you do today, Pine? What up, Stone? Dale. Jump into the giveaway there, Dale. Get you a free account. All right, let's see what this thing can do. Push up into the 70 or not. I don't really dig deeper holes on these accounts, so keeping it to around $300, you know. Potentially. We're down like 165 on this account. So if I see green, I may just take it off if we can get some green. So even if we lose this trade, we'll have one more kind of a scalp opportunity on it. We'll see. All right, starting to get a little push finally. Yes, back to this pivot here. Needs to pop right through that pivot, otherwise I may kill this. ES has to pop that pivot. I'm going to kill it right there. I don't like that the ES is kind of struggling to get through that pivot. Probably goes without me now, but that's okay even if it does. Really wanted to move faster than that anyway. So 184 down on that account now, I think. A little small loss there. Now it's going. Just kind of tricked me there. Just kind of faked me out, and now it's going. Yes, above the pivot now. Rude. Rude. Very, very rude. Very rude. Very rude. Still didn't hit the target. Oh, god dang it. How did I miss that? $62. The top of the trend line, either rejection or breakout. Yeah. For sure. I tried to get back in, guys. I set a little limit order at 62 and a quarter, and it just did not come back and get me. I didn't notice that inside bar. Inside buy on the 5 minute. Just printed. Take profit 71 and a quarter. That swing there. Uh, 71 and a quarter there. Left that as equal highs. Give me a little pullback here. Give me a little bit of a pullback. Or did that? Yeah, it did breach it. Never mind. It's not equal. Rush that 500. We'll see. Definitely at the we're after the 3 p.m. here. Back below the EMAs, we probably make a move lower. Let's see here. What is iCash for? It's for a My Funded Futures 50K eval. $50K eval. Yes, tap that 64.29. That's so exciting, Trev. It's so exciting. Oh. How do we do today on our... let me check the Take Profit Trader and stuff. See if we made any sales. Why not? Did we make any sales? A few sales, it looks like. Maybe a couple. Two sales. That's pretty bad. We're not going to get to that bonus making 2 sales a day, guys. We're just not. It's yours. Hey, it can be yours. It doesn't matter to me. Sounds good to me. A lockdown drill was committed or whatever today. Okay. A lockdown drill. I don't really know what to expect here. We're kind of like, I don't know. No man's land. Don't really know what to expect. What's a good direct to funding? You're not a fan of evals. Tradeify has a really good direct to funding. You just missed a really good sale. You could have got one for $250 last night, but the sale ended last night on Tradeify. I mean, really, Tradeify. Who else is there? Somebody's 65% off until tonight. Who is that? Is that Funding Ticks? Let me look at Funding Ticks. There's another one that is 65% off until tonight. Yeah, Tick Tick Trader has a good one too. I don't remember which one it is though. Is it not? Is it Funding Ticks or no? No, it's not Funding Ticks. Fast Track? Yes, exactly. But yeah, I mean, Tradeify for me, I think is the best probably overall. They're a little bit on the pricey side, but other than that, they're currently $350 for the 50K account. You could have got the 50K account for $250 last night. What up, Andy? So you kind of missed that sell. The 150K is $510. Who else has direct funded? I'm drawing a blank. There was somebody, man, there was somebody else that had a decent sell. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to look. I will have to look. Savius does have direct funded as well. I don't remember who it was. I can't remember. I cannot remember who else it was. Gonna have to look. I'll look in a minute. All right, let's see kind of what we get here. What accounts are you guys using for direct funded? Hey, Unilink1, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Pass one of those new accounts today. Let's go. I'm thinking about taking a pretty cheap long here, but I guess technically this is a bearish Harami though, huh? Technically. All right, I'm going to try a little short here back to 450. We got a bearish Harami. So let's see if this thing holds. You also use trade with Top One, TPT, and Tradeify currently. Yeah, my fund of futures. I'm looking for a pushback into the 50. Rebalance this 5-minute gap here. Got a bearish Harami. I'm going to go stop to break even at 54. My stop's up there at the high. Don't want to do anything too crazy here. Obviously got to get through the EMAs. Might just get wrecked. We'll see. Again, just kind of looking for it to retest the 50 here. 50 level, rebalance the 1 minute gap, rebalance the 5 minute gap down there. Got in a little bit late on this too. Really should have been in. I should have been in like 66.50. So a little bit annoying there. Not really going. Alright, gonna get stopped out, looks like. We have to switch to another account. Well, we will switch to another account. We got the murder bot coming up in 7 minutes here. Yeah, MOC, exactly. I don't like the look of this now. But may as well hold it at this point. Which one is this? 8532. So I'll switch over to the other one after this. Bearish Harami did not pay for me. At least yet. Going to switch to the next account here in a minute. Yes, back to the 29 there. New 5 minute candle here. Needs to go bearish engulfing, otherwise we're stopped out. Paper trade, yeah, nothing wrong with that. Is that the one that I just traded? Yeah, it is. Why? 8238. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Paper handed a couple of trades this afternoon already, then taking a full loss on that one. That account's down $400 now after being only down $150. Don't really want to do damage on the accounts that are not bad already. You know what I mean? So, we'll see. Just stop me out there. All right, we got MOC here in about 3 minutes, guys. Let's see kind of what happens. Papier mache day. Yeah. Oh, nah, I mean, we've done okay today. Realistically, it's not been bad, but you know, you don't want to make it a bigger losing day than it needs to be, you know? Don't want to make it bigger than it needs to be. What up, fish lips? I do think Lucid might have been the one with the direct to funded accounts that I was thinking about. Let me see what their yeah, Lucid Direct is their 50K for Rhythmic is 293. So yeah, their Lucid Direct, the 50K Rhythmic is 293. You can use code MM for that one. So yeah, Lucid Direct 293 or Tradeify. It's up to you. Well, it's kind of dirty. That like just stopped me out to the tick and then pushed right back down. Your paper tray shredded. Yeah, what up, fish? Oh, did I say? Yeah, I said that already. Let's see kind of what happens here at the will this let me do this? It will. All right, let me see if I can get 20 points. All right, here we go. We got a little over a minute for the 350 algo. A little over a minute. You guys think we go up or down? Yeah, let's see. 10 seconds. What account is this? I don't even know. Down to the 50 level here. Are we going to hold the 50 or not? So we got to pop into the 57s here. All right. Got that account back to down $50. Probably just keep that one there. Let's see here. Let's work on a couple of other ones. 8238. 8238. All right. Rebalance that 5 minutes. Bounced off the 50 level there. I took a little long. Like I said, only one account really down that I've lost on so far this afternoon. The other ones are pretty much break even. And we got two that are still in the red, so we need to find a spot for either 5 points or 10 points. Still bouncing here. Left that wick down there off that market on close there. Pushed down. It was kind of a slow developing one too. I guess I kind of mismanaged that. Because that did not really pop above that high there, did it? No, it was equal. God dang it, I should have been 2 ticks above that. I took a small loss on an account right there on that pop up. I should have got stabbed in on the bottom there, but I didn't. Yeah, short definitely killed it for sure. We run that wick down there? I don't know. You blew 6-day-old XFA with 5 winning days and a balance of 3.6K. God, that sucks, Mo. That's terrible, man. I hate to hear that. Hate to hear that. Hate to hear that, man. That's terrible. 3.6K. That's like, man, that's tough. I'm a little bit tempted to stab short here, but through the 40, we might get that dump. Had $900 left in the drawdown and wanted to get that out of the way before requesting the payout. Yeah, that is true. If we lose the 40 here, we could get a little bit of a waterfall. Let's see. Damn it. I was about to take the short right when it popped lower. I have to give it a little bit more time here. Yeah, I didn't do that well today either. 444. Let's see if that holds or bounce. I mean, if we reclaim 50 here, you would expect maybe a little pop. The 54 candle is coming here, or 55. Tough to know what that's going to do, though, to be honest. 36. Let's say 35. It won't let me do it. A little bit of a pop to the upside there into the 9 EMA. Yeah, it does still look bearish, but I think we can get that push into the 57s here. Kind of trading right into the 9 EMA there. Have I had one to give away, Mo? I don't have one to give away. I don't get those too often, but come on, don't you fucking do me like, God dang it. One tick away. One tick away, really? That's that's dirty. It was literally one tick away from my take profit. I cannot believe that. My take profit was 57 and a quarter. Oh goodness. Your trading's been awful lately and it's been tough. Yeah, through the sheer case of God, you managed to get this far. Yeah. Maybe you'll win this My Fun and Futures account today. I mean, it's effectively a free account, no activation. Man, that is so annoying right there. Man, that's so annoying. God dang, look at that crap go. I knew it was going to go too, but... Oh, that's so annoying. One ticked me right there. Man. Still trying to find spots to maybe get a little bit of back. Right back to the 50 there. Just watching the ES. One tick pony every time. Yeah. I can't believe it did that to me. That's all right. I am tempted to take a little stab along here. But I should probably wait going into the final minute to just see what it gives us. All right, let's look for a spot going into the final minute to get 5 points. Got 8 seconds until the final minute here. If we get 7372. All right, see what it does. Breaking out, pushing up here. She's a runner so far. Yes, popping above 29 here. We got about 30 seconds left here in the day. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm going to jump in here. Still squeezing after 30 seconds left. I'm going to just jump in. I think we just get a push. There we go. So got that account back to green. 8238. I don't think I got time to get another one in. There's the end of the day. Yes, still squeezing. I don't think I am going to find another spot. Do we do this? I'm going to try this. There we go. Woo! Squillion Trader, did you get it? You got it. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, I know Mad Moxie got it as well. I mean, that was an awesome deal right there. You could pick up 2 or 3 accounts with that. So, all right, this is how the day ended. So we did more damage to this account here, which is an eval. But we got this funded account here back to within 50 bucks. We got all the other accounts basically back to break even. Like we really did. These were down $300 if you remember. So we did a little more. This was down 150. We did a little more damage to it. These are actually down 150, 165. So we did a little damage to one account, but we got 3 or 4 accounts basically back to break even there. So can't complain. So, oh, is it only 2 max? I didn't even know that, Squillion Trader. Is it only 2 max? Really? I thought it was 5. Is it only 2? Exclamation point cash. Yeah, free rolling, right? No activation fee. I mean, that's the same account I have here, the $130 one. that you see I'm up $1,615 on. I think I've got 4 daily base hits, 3 daily base hits or something, and one a little short. But yeah, 2 max at a time. Okay, I didn't know that. Now, the nice thing about them is there's no real rules. You do got kind of a short daily loss limit, and you have a small daily base hit. But once you're funded, I mean, there's no real rules. You treat it pretty much like a cash account. So that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Exclamation point cash in the chat there, guys. If you want to enter the giveaway, or give it a couple of minutes, let more people get in there if they want. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Actually, guys, I'm sorry. I changed it to exclamation point superfracalixixpialidocious. I'm going to do that tomorrow. Tomorrow's giveaway, it's no longer going to be exclamation point cash. It's going to be what what Treff was. I think it was Treff that said that, or maybe Tech T. I can't remember. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Blah, blah, blah. I can't even say it. I don't even know. Can't even say it. We're going to change it to that tomorrow. There we go, George Jeans. That would be insane if I did that, huh? That would be insane. But guys, the $59 account from Futures Desk code MMM will go away tomorrow. That deal will go away tomorrow. The $50 account from Funding Ticks, no activation fee, will also go away tomorrow. You guys familiar with the 50K account with Funding Ticks? I mean, that's a solid deal. That is a solid deal. Let me just show you guys that. Who just subscribed? Earth Quotes. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Yeah, but this one ends tomorrow. I mean, this is a good deal. 60% off. This is the Futures Desk, $59 all in. Now that ends today. And then the other one, this is a good deal also. This one ends as well. I don't know when this one ends. It might end. I think it ends today or tomorrow. But it's $50 all in. End of day drawdown. No consistency rule. No activation fee. $50. I mean, it's $50, guys. That's cheap. Trade day, $59 all in for their eval account as well. Code MM with Funding Ticks and Trade Day. Code MM with Take Profit Trader. Code MMM with the Futures Desk. Spoonful of Myth. That's right. Bulanox, 83% off is code MM. Apex, 80% off is code MM. Tradeify, 30% off. And they also got the advanced account for $30, code MM. Any of the sales, guys. Lucid, Legends, code MM on all those. The only codes that are not MM is Apex is code Myth, and the Funded Desk is code MMM. Link in chat for what, Kamau? Which one? Which one, Kamau, do you want a link for? We're about to do the giveaway. There's so many people are in there. For both of what? For which account? For which prop? Are you talking about the two that end? Funding Ticks and the other one? I can do that. And Day Traders is also 90% off right now, by the way. Let's see if I can find a Funding Ticks link. Oh, I just didn't even know. I guess I got a code with Funded next too. I didn't even know. I don't even remember that. Funding ticks. Here's funding ticks. My code's MM. How much is Tick Tick straight to funded? 65% off just ended, I think, yesterday. So I think now it's 50% off. Hold on one second. I'll look it up for you in a second here. Exclamation point cash, guys. In just a moment, we're going to do the giveaway. So there's my funding ticks, and here's my futures desk. But let me check and see what Tick Tick is currently. I think they're still doing 50% off. Let me see what they're charging. Purchase new. Okay, so their straight to funded account, the 50K is $449. Well, let me see what it is with a code. It's 202 for the 50K account with the code, with code MM. So 202 for the 50K account. It's not bad. Code MM, that's the code. All right, here we go. Let's do the giveaway. How many people we got in here? No problem, David. 68 entrants. We got 10 seconds to get in there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jonathan trying to get in under the deadline here. Let's see if Jonathan, he's probably already in there if I know Jonathan. He's probably in there already. He is. He just forgot. And the winner is, drum roll, please. All right, Toy Biv. Let me let you in there. Yeah. Toy Biv, do it again. Hurry up. Now, if you win Toy Biv, they're going to say it's rigged. They're going to say it's rigged. DJ Medicated. You're going to take your ball and go home. All right, here we go. With all seriousness, here we go. Here's the winner. And the winner is... Papa Tony. Papa Tony's Trades. Papa Tony's Pizza. Wolf Scout. Yeah. If it was Wolf Scout, people would be like, wait a second here. 3 times in a couple of days? What's going on? Papa Tony's Trades in the house. Papa Tony's. Send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Please include a screenshot. Please include a screenshot of you logged into your account, right? Showing you're logged in. And I need your login email for My Funded Futures. You've won a My Funded Futures 50K scale account. It's completely free. Mamma mia, mamma mia. Used to own Papa Tony's Pizza. Let's go. And even if you've never had a My Funded Futures account, you'll just need to set one up, or they can shoot you an email and let you and give you the account credit that way. So either way, send it over to me so we can get you your account credit. Guys, I don't know if I'll be on the stream tonight. We do have baseball practice from 6:30 to 8:30 tonight. So, maybe not. Maybe not. If I do get on, it'll probably be more like 9 p.m. to 11 p.m., which it could still be fun, you know, could still be fun. Maybe we get like 7,600 subscribers and we do another giveaway. Guys, I'm, it's nice doing these giveaways. I'm glad I finally reached out again. I mean, I started reaching out about a year ago and I never heard anything back. Maybe prop firms were just less willing to give accounts to give away a year ago. You know. But guys, I do want to challenge you to do one thing. If you're in my Discord and you have any type of graphic ability at all, if I'm looking for someone to create a logo, now I'm not going to pay you for it. If you want to just help me out and have a little piece of the stream here, right? Okay, you can always say you're the person that created the logo. I need a Methodical Man logo that I can use in my stream, on my banner for my YouTube channel. If you got some sort of creative ability and you want to do it, you can drop some logos in the Discord, and what we'll do is we'll take all the logos that I like, maybe the top 5, top 10, and we will pick. We'll do a poll and see what everyone likes. Funding Ticks Odds has the $50 50K. Now, you also have $59 50K from the Futures Desk. Also $59 50K from Trade Day. So there's a couple of them out there, odds. A couple of opportunities out there. Use Husk as a logo. That'd be perfect. The drug sector had many were up today, and a few companies were up good. Yeah, nice. But anyways, that's going to do it for me, guys. I'll be back later on. Appreciate you guys watching and all the support. If you want to help support the channel, hit the like button on the way out. And I'll see you next time. Rip off McDonald's. That'd be perfect.